Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I don't usually do this, but because of the holiday season, I'm filming a lot of videos today. So if this shirt is starting to look like a repeat, just act surprised. I hope you're having a great holiday season. Today I have my Ipsy Glambag, just my regular old Ipsy Glambag. I have already done my ultimate. I'll put the card up here in case you want to go over and look at that. And I'm expecting my plus any day now. So let's get in here and see what's in the regular Glambag. So this is the new bag that they've gone to, and I like it. I kind of probably like the darker color one better, but this is nice. But I will tell you what is better about this one. Sometimes I would get that other one, and it already felt like somebody had been in it. And I find this one is far better sealed. Let me know, are you guys finding that to be true too? I feel like this one is sealed so well. So I'm just gonna reach in and drag out my bag, and I don't feel like I have any stragglers. I don't, which means I probably don't have any brushes. Pout. I know, it's not all about the brushes, Catherine. I tell myself this all the time. This is the bag that we have this month, and it's got the Ipsy insignia, and they have a little seaming issue. They are very bold, shiny bags this month. When we open this one up, oh yay, I have paperwork. I hope that I have the information on the inside of this paperwork because I didn't. I do. I didn't with my Ipsy Ultimate. They didn't send me my information. So real quickly, Ipsy now has 3 products. They have this, which is the regular Ipsy Glambag, and it comes once a month, and it is $12. And as a rule, you get 5 sample size. Sometimes they throw in full size products for us, and it's the original. It's a great Ipsy bag. Not too long ago, they added the Ipsy Plus. That is $25 a month, and as a rule, you get 5 full-size products in that. It's my favorite. And then most recently, because I think I've had 3 now, they've added the Ipsy Ultimate. It is 8 full-size products and 4 sample-size products. And it is $50 a month. Like I said, I just unboxed December, so I will put a card up there for you guys if you want to go check it out. And let's get into this one. Reaching right in, the first product that I have is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer, and it is in Park Avenue Princess. I'm going to open this very carefully because I'm going to set it aside because I have the full Tarte Park Avenue Princess line. But this is what its little packaging looks like. I love this, by the way. This is a great bronzer, I think. And that is what it looks like. I can't smell it because there's plastic on it. And like I said, I don't want to take it off because I'll put this in a giveaway. So we'll slide it right back in here. Next, I have the Han Hu Watermelon Illuminator Daytime Facial Oil. Oh, that's interesting. That's what it looks like. That's kind of fun, a daytime facial oil. Well, let's just see what this is like. It says it's illuminating, so I'm going to try and get a little bit. I don't know how thick. Oh, or a lot. Can't tell if it smells like watermelon. It does not fit. Wow, I just used enough to do 3 people, I suspect. I don't think it smells like water. Oh, maybe. It has a very slight watermelon scent, but woo, it's one of those, I know I say this a lot. Wow, did that make the back of my hand soft? But no, seriously, that made the back of my hand so soft. I don't think it's illuminating, but it's so soft. I just saw this, guys. We forgot. Starting with this one, I have the Han Hu Watermelon Illuminating Daytime Facial Oil. When we see the word watermelon, we instantly perk up. It's the star ingredient in this majorly hydrating facial oil from confidence-boosting skincare brand Han Hu, and is a go-to for healthy, bright, glowing skin. New to face oils? Trust us, this one absorbs quickly and won't feel greasy. There is not even a slight greasy feel with this. 0%. Like, not even like low. It does not feel oily at all. It says this baby is loaded with skin-protecting antioxidants. Layer it under your go-to sunscreen for added protection from the sun, drying winds, and environmental stressors. I will absolutely try that product. Going back to the Tarte Park Avenue Princess, which we forgot to talk about, it says that is the Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in Park Avenue Princess. Get a midsummer glow in the middle of winter with this golden bronzing powder from Always On Trend brand Tarte, made with clarifying, brightening, and soothing Amazonian clay. It goes on silky smooth and blends easily without streaks. The long wear formulas last all day and night. No need for touch-ups. And again, I have the full-size Park Avenue Princess palette and love it. Next, I have a Jolie Luxe Creme Matte. Oh, it's a pretty, it's kind of purpley. It's kind of a pinky, purpley color. I like it. I cannot say this is not cool this time. They did not send me a muddy brown one this time, that is for sure. It's called Lavenda. Lavenda, Lavenda. So it does have a purpley tone to it. This may be the perfect liquid lip color for creating a party-ready beauty look in a pinch. This ultra creamy liquid keeps your lips healthy thanks to moisturizing shea butter and jojoba oil. Plus, the velvety violet color is surprisingly versatile, super smooth, and long-lasting. I am completely down for a velvety, violety color. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this. You guys are gonna be like, seriously, you're wearing it? Oh yeah, I'm wearing it. I think it's gorgeous. It's so pinky purpley, but I love that. Oh my goodness. I know, it's not at all. This is the matte metallic that I got in my Boxycharm because I'm making all my videos on that day like I talked about at the beginning. But I love that. I'm going to take it off though, and I'll say what I said in my other video. I'm taking it off right away because I have learned my lesson about leaving these matte liquid lips on the back of my hand when I swatch them to dry down, because mercy, I almost thought I was going to have to live and die in that Anastasia. All right, reaching in next, I have a Pure Brazilian Leave-In Conditioner, and that is what that looks like. Let's see what the paperwork says. From flyaways to split ends, cold, dry weather can make your hair hard to manage. And if you're dealing with damage from heat styling or dyes, this keratin-infused leave-in is for you. Use it to help rebuild broken bonds in your hair shaft for stronger, shinier, smoother, and all-around healthier hair. I have hair breakage, and at one point, a stylist told me that I should not overuse proteins. I do use keratin products, but I only use them once, maybe twice a week tops. And that's assuming, like I do, I wash my hair every day. Because the keratin can build up and apparently make fragile hair even more fragile. She said it's a fine line between getting enough protein and getting too much protein. Science. I don't know. But I trusted her. And last but not least, I have... Yay! This is so funny. I just did a Tilly box. I don't know in what order I'm going to put these up, but I just did a Tilly box and I went on and on about how I love the Thrive mascara. I was saying that I had used it. My 3 months had passed. I had just moved it to my empties pile a couple of days ago. And since I finished it, I was trying to use a couple of new shadows just to give them a try because I get them in the boxes. And I was using up a lot of my samples and I don't love some of them. And it makes you realize once you've been using something and you really like it, how much you like it. And I love this mascara. It is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara by Thrive. And that is what it looks like. And it is one of those tubing mascaras. And I have such short and thin, sparse lashes that it just gives me the best lashes any mascara has ever given me. It works for me that well. And on top of that, I think it's a company that does good. I think that it says, beauty with a purpose. For every product you purchase, we donate to help a woman thrive. I don't know what that means, but I'm behind it. This says, this curling, lengthening mascara formula does exactly what it says. A single swipe made our lashes look like extensions. Agreed. How? Tiny, clump-free fibers coat each lash for an instant volume, while the brand's Orchid Stem Cell Complex boosts growth over time for naturally longer lashes. I did not know that. That is so cool. It says, unlike other long-wearing mascaras, this tubing formula goes on with just one coat. Time to remove, it comes off with just a little bit of cleanser and water. I'm telling you what, you almost don't need cleanser. When you get in the shower, if you just get your eyes wet first and you kind of wipe at them, it comes right off. Okay, that was my Ipsy Glambag for December. So I have this nice shiny bag. I have my Go To Thrive Lash Extension Mascara, 2 thumbs up. I have the Jolie Lavender Lip. I have the Pure Brazilian Leave-In Conditioner. I have the Hanhu Watermelon Illuminator. That is what that looks like. And it says it is a facial oil, but I mean, there's no oil feel, 0. And the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. I liked it. I think that's a great bag this month. I'm sure that my Lippy in lavender probably covers the cost of the box. And then, like I said, the Thrive, 2 thumbs up. Highly recommend. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. I hope you're out there having a great holiday season. Let me know below, what fun things are you doing this holiday season? We have some family events and parties coming up, and I just can't wait. I just love to get out there and see everybody. Thank you so much for coming by again. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.